What did you guys think this day was like? Did you enjoy yourselves?
Yes, it was a wonderful day.
Yeah, was it?
It's a great day.
What were your favorite parts?
We got an American Girl doll for ourselves. And I got a cute outfit, and I had fun with my friend.
Who?
Hina.
For this girl? What was your best part of your day?
Well, getting Felicity.
Sure.
Felicity.
Yeah, let's see her. Hi, Felicity. Half-dressed Felicity.
Nice save,
She's so modest.
Don't look over here.
And what was the favorite part of your day?
Going to dinner with all my girlfriends and going to the American Girl doll store.
I gotta say something. Well.
And what was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part was being without my sister and me. It was great times. I had a good time. My dream came true today. I've been waiting for this day for years. So.
Eyes are bulging now. Like this. Like this. Like this.
Coming in like woo.
Like this. Like this.
Would you care?
We're going to get to see the assholes of everybody's.
It was a wonderful day in Chicago.
Yes, it was.
Don't you think?